Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can and where you can pair your spectacles on Snapchat. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First, go to your Snapchat. After that, click on your profile. After that, click on the settings. Scroll down to the Who Can section, and here you can see the spectacles option. Click on that, and it said that my Bluetooth is off and I have to turn that on to connect the spectacles. So enable, and to pair, press and hold the button on your spectacles for 7 seconds. So if you have a spectacle, you here will appear the connecting setting, and you have to press the button on your spectacles for 7 seconds, and it will automatically be paired. So it's really simple. And here are several other option settings regarding spectacles. Need help, which is an important one, and here you can check all the spectacles and the menu, creators, learn about spectacles, and so on. Yes, so this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Bye bye.